In Igbo land, the market is more than just a place to buy and sell goods. It is a vibrant and bustling center where the heart of the community beats. Here, people gather not only to trade but to connect, share stories, and uphold traditions passed down through generations. It's a hub of community, culture, and tradition. The market is a living museum, showcasing the rich heritage of the Igbo people. From the colorful attire to the rhythmic sounds of traditional music, every corner of the market tells a story. Welcome to the Igbo Four Market Days, an ancient system that has been in place for centuries. This unique calendar divides the week into 4 distinct market days, each with its own significance and role in the community. Join us as we explore the history, the people, and the enduring legacy of the Igbo Market Days. The Igbo Four Market Days are deeply rooted in the cultural and economic life of the Igbo people. These days are Eke, Ore, Afor, and Inkwo. Each of these days holds a special place in the hearts of the community members. Each day has its unique characteristics and significance, shaping the rhythm of life in Igbo society. Eke is the day of abundance, where farmers bring their freshest produce to the market, symbolizing prosperity and growth. Ore is the day of gathering, a time for the community to come together, share stories, and strengthen social bonds. Afor is the day of settlement, dedicated to resolving disputes and making important decisions, ensuring harmony and justice. And Inkwo is the day of exchange, where vibrant trading activities take place, fostering economic growth and mutual benefit. These market days are not just about commerce, but also about maintaining the cultural fabric of the Igbo people. The 4 market days are deeply rooted in Igbo culture, representing a unique blend of tradition and spirituality. These days are not just for commerce, but also hold significant spiritual meaning. They dictate the rhythm of life, from farming to trading, and even social events. The market days are named Ikai, Ore, Afor, and Inkwo, each with its own unique importance. Each day is associated with specific rituals, sacrifices, and ceremonies. These practices are deeply ingrained in the community, guiding daily activities and major life events. The market days serve as a time for the community to come together, celebrate, and uphold their rich cultural heritage. Despite the influence of modernization, the 4 market days remain an integral part of Igbo identity. They promote community bonding, economic empowerment, and cultural preservation. Today, entrepreneurs and traders continue to thrive within this ancient system. The Igbo Four Market Days are a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of the Igbo people. This ancient tradition continues to shape their lives, culture, and economy. Join us in celebrating this rich heritage. To learn more about Igbo culture and traditions, follow our page.